Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk-around. Looking for a pickup? This is the 2014, of course, the Chevy Silverado 1500. Stock number is 7307. Let's take a virtual video walk-around and show you this pickup up close and personal, as opposed to static photos. Take notice of the exterior condition on the Z71 packaged pickup. It does have the tonneau covering, tow package. We're going to show you the interior in just a second. Don't forget, warranty protection for life. It's peace of mind driving. As long as you own the vehicle, you're covered at no extra cost to you. That's one of the differences here at Sunset Ford. Take notice of the interior rear. You're going to see there's ample legroom, a very comfortable ride in the rear. And no virtual video walk around would be complete without putting you in the driver's seat. This truck does have the Ecotec 3 5.3 liter V8 motor. Super clean, not going to last long. For more information on this pickup or any of the vehicles in our inventory, call us, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you and hopefully earn your business. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day. Take care.